How to use magic wand in Photopea. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can use magic wand in Photopea. If you're wondering how magic wand can be used in Photopea, just ensure that this video is watched till the end. The first step is to ensure that you have a Photopea account created already and that you've logged in. Once you've logged in, select the projects that you would like to work with. After you've selected the project, you reverse to the editor's page, as you can see on my screen. Now, once you're on this page, the next step is for you to locate where the magic wand is. Now, to locate the magic wand is not difficult. Just move to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons. Yeah, icons like move tool, like the rectangle select, lasso select, and then just below lasso select you will see the magic wand option. The next step is for you to click on it. Then once you click on this magic wand, next to it the box will be displayed showcasing magic wand quick selection object selection. Our focus is on magic wand. Now, one thing you must note about magic wand in Photopea is that it is majorly used for selection purposes. That is, if you want to select a text or select an image, you would need the magic wand. So since you've selected the magic wand and the magic wand option has been activated, next step is just to go ahead and select the text that you want to apply the magic wand to. Okay, and then once you've selected it, you can go ahead and drop it on any part of the screen this way. All right, now that's just one major way of using it. All right, now if you want to select a text instead, just click on the text this way, or yeah, you have to select the layer of the text by the right side of the screen. And once you selected it, go ahead and select the text using your wand. Then once you selected it, you can now move this and drop it on any part of the canvas, as you can see. So this is basically how you can use your magic wand on Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.